guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I'm super excited to let you in on a little secret about the Epson F570 sublimation printer. So this is my Epson F570. It is a true sublimation printer. It is 24 inches. However, the price point is out of reach for many people. However, Epson just made a change and is now offering what they are calling the light version. So the light version is literally nothing more than a reduction of what comes in the box. So this version comes with 2 sets of inks. It also comes with 2 rolls of paper, and it also comes with a little CD called Epson Edge. Now, I don't use Epson Edge, and many of you don't use Epson Edge either. Epson Edge is not required to use or necessary to use your Epson F570. And in fact, as a Mac user, were you really charging me for that? Because guess what? It's only PC. So here's the thing. Now, the Epson F570 Lite version comes with 1 set of ink, 1 full set of ink, same bottles, fill them up here, 1 roll of 24-inch sublimation paper, because this is roll or sheet fed, and it does not include Epson Edge. So taking those things out, they have now been able to reduce the price, making it much more attainable for people who have a cap on their budget. So if you're interested in getting a 24-inch or just a wide format Epson sublimation printer, if you're looking for the lowest possible way to get in, the Epson F570 Lite, which is only going to be around as an option for several months, is now available. All of the information, the description, the links, everything like that are below. I have tons of blog posts, tutorials, videos, support for how to use the Epson F570, and literally the print manager, the printer, the process, everything, the setup, everything else is the same except the price. So if you're interested in jumping in to get the Epson F570, this is a super great opportunity. Supplies on these are limited. The availability on how long these are going to be around is also limited. So I do want to make sure that if you're interested in getting the 570 Lite version versus the 570 Pro so that you can save a couple $100, now is the time.